Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Data World channel. Today I am here with a new video on we are having another option into this add column ribbon, that is of custom column. In previous video we have covered up this column from example option in which we saw two sub options from the all column and then from selection. So this particular example, this particular option was nothing but the quick fix of this custom column option. So whatever we were able to do into this particular option, we can do it here as well. But we could have example instead, and we could have just rapidly create a custom column. But this particular custom column has been the feature as that it will create your the custom column, but you are having a wider flexibility. That means you can go ahead with different queries with which you can apply over any column, or if you want to have a pure custom column, that means pure suppose some data into a new column, you can go ahead with this particular option where you can insert that according to your requirement. So in this video, we'll be touching up and seeing how we can apply this particular option into our transformation. So let's get started with the video. So here, if we will hover over this custom column, we can see that create a new column in this table based on custom formula. So here formula is the key. You will be playing around with the formulas, that is mQuery formula, which will give you wider range of flexibility to just go ahead and then create a custom column which will deal up with entirely different varieties of transformations we can have into our data set. So let me click over it and show you how this function this thing look like actually. So this is the window in which we will be passing the formula into this particular section. In this input, we will be passing the column name, whatever column name we want to have. So we just want to have some custom column. Suppose I'm just arbitrarily picking up some name is equals to what the formula we want to provide. For now, I'm just picking up the formula as suppose I'm just canceling right for now. Let me show you what we are going to apply. We'll scroll to left. We are having order date and ship date, the same transformation which we applied in with this particular option, or we will definitely go ahead with this option of custom column, that we will subtract this ship date minus order date, so that we will be getting a duration column in which the duration will be the values from whole of the data set and the column from the order date and ship date. So let me show you what I'm trying to tell basically. So custom column 1, uh, and then I'm picking up the ship date by clicking over this insert. It the whatever column you will select, it will be inserted into it. Minus is the operator I will be using here from and the minus will be order date. So on click of OK, this column will be created, which will be giving you the duration, whatever the duration it took from ordering of the any order till shipping of the order. So it is giving you that 92 days has been spent between both of them. 92 days, then 00 hour, and then minute, then second. Similarly for whole of the data. This was the first example which I showed you. Let me show you some other example, and after that you can go ahead and explore all the options and all the formulas whatever available in this for Power Query by clicking over this particular link. So now I will be showing you same thing whatever I showed you here in column from example thing. So what I did in that last video, I have concatenated order ID and then ship mode, right? So we will be doing the same thing with this option now, custom column option. So how we can do this is just we will click on this custom column. We'll take, we want to concatenate basically order ID and zip mode, right? So we can have two ways to deal up with this thing. If you will go ahead with the formulas and if you will see how the formula is for mQuery. So I'm going ahead with this formula, that is equals to, and then text dot combine. So text dot combine, which will be expecting two arguments or one argument. So in this whole formula you will be passing a list. This is a list, you are declaring a list now. So in this list you will be passing what all things to be concatenated actually. So first thing will be the order ID, and another thing will be the zip mode, right? Zip mode with having underscore in between, right? So for separator, for passing the argument separator, we will pass it here like this, underscore. Underscore, okay. So like this we will pass it here. So let's see if it works. On clicking on OK, we can see that same thing, whatever it was expected, it is doing same way. That means this order ID and then zip mode is concatenated and have been into the new column for whole of the dataset. So this is how this custom column option is working. You can go ahead and explore other formulas as well from with this particular link. Any confusion, let me know into the comment section. For such videos, stay tuned to the channel. I will be coming up with all these options, remaining options. And thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, kindly like to the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks again. See you in the next video.